Hi, I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Painless Financial Trading Group. It is April, which is personal tax filing month, a very busy month for accountants, and I'm asked some questions over and over again. A common one is, how can I reduce my income taxes? And it being April of 21, and we're talking about 2020 taxes, my usual remark is that it may just be a little too late to save some income tax for this year. Kind of hard to do the planning when we're 4 months into the next year. But the most common things that I see where people are not saving income tax when they could be is that they can't find their receipts. They know they've made contributions to charities, but they can't find the receipts. I suggest they check their email. Perhaps, those receipts were emailed to them. Another common one that I've talked about over and over again is medical expenses. Perhaps you haven't considered your medical travel, you haven't kept the receipts from some of the practitioners where you would be able to make a claim. Then there's the credits. Is it possible that someone in your family would qualify for the disability tax credit? Once upon a time, that was you had to be blind, deaf, or confined to a better wheelchair. There's a lot more things that qualify for a disability now. So that's something you could look into for a family member. What about tuition? Is there anybody in your family who is going to school and could transfer that tuition to you? There are personal credits that are available for people who have a dependent child but don't have a spouse or a common law partner. If that's your situation, then you should be making a claim for what we call the equivalent to spouse deduction. So basically, those are the main ways that I would see people could save income tax, short of actually putting money into an RSP to save income taxes. The things I'm talking about are items where you've already spent the money and you're just not claiming the deduction for it. So the main thing, think about this, claim all the credits you're entitled to, and see if you can't find all those receipts.